If you don't like hot summers but still love LA, then listen up. Wildfires are on the rise. Over the past decade, wildfires in Greater Los Angeles have increased by 70%. Experts say climate change is a big driver. Warmer temperatures and prolonged droughts are creating a perfect storm. Dr. Jennifer Smith, a climate scientist, notes, "We're seeing hotter and drier conditions, which are ideal for wildfires. And it's not just about the heat. Urban sprawl means more homes are built near fire-prone areas. More people, more risks. But what can we do? Simple steps like clearing dry brush around homes and creating defensible space can make a big difference. Plus, supporting policies that tackle climate change head-on is crucial. So next time you enjoy that LA sunshine, remember, a little awareness can go a long way in keeping our communities safe. Stay informed, stay prepared.